Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. This video is a highly requested video which is about a new bathroom organization. There were days when bathrooms or toilets were built outside the house or in a remote common area. Over the years, the preference has changed to attached bathrooms as they are very convenient to use. A decorated and organized bathroom with stocked essentials is a big asset. It helps to go through the routine of getting ready with so much ease and relaxation. In this video, I am going to show you how I have kept my main bathroom organized. So let's get started. This is our bathroom in the master bedroom. When we bought this house, everything was in raw condition. We added one cabinet under the sink and one upper cabinet on the side of the mirror. Making elevated cabinets and leaving some space underneath is a simple way to prevent moisture-related damage. We added a glass partition to keep the shower area separated. This helps to keep the front area of the bathroom always dry. We opted for a sliding door for functionality and ease of use. Now let's see how I have organized everything. The main countertop is granite and it was pre-installed. It is not a very large countertop but functional enough for daily usage. On the right here, I have kept this golden metal tray with brushing essentials and a face wash. Brushes and toothpaste are kept in these beautiful stone holders. On the left, a hand wash dispenser is kept. I have used this soap case as a tray for this dispenser, which is enhancing its look. On a corner here is a money plant. This is a DIY pot. Just use one empty glass bottle of honey and filled it up with green pebbles. For bathrooms, one can use any indoor low-light plants and succulents. They enhance the look of any place multi-folds. Minimal essentials on counter presents us more area when getting ready and increases the sense of spaciousness. On the wall here, this holder is installed to hang hand towel, and above that is a frame decoration piece. Now let's see the bottom storage. Due to drainage pipe, we could not get shelves here. To maximize the space, I have placed this metal drawer rack here which has two drawers. On the top, I have stored extra stock of toilet rolls and cotton buds. At the bottom are all the extra stock of dental essentials like extra toothpaste, brushes and floss with extra pack of shaving razors. On the side here, this electric face cleanser is kept in its case. I use it sometimes to massage and scrub my face. At the back in this pouch, hygiene essentials are kept. We also use this space to store our daily dirty laundry in this jute laundry basket, and it is conveniently placed for us. We have one more laundry basket which is kept in a utility area and where I keep all the dirty whites and linen like bed sheets, towels, etc. To utilize the door space, we have placed this wall-mounted steel rack here, which is used to store some random stuff like disinfectant wipes to clean the countertop, air freshener, refill pack of hand wash liquid and a small bottle of detergent liquid to hand wash delicate clothes. On the other door, this over-the-door metal basket is placed to keep the hairdryer. Here on the side of the WC, this toilet roll holder is placed and this room freshener is hung with the help of command hook. This dustbin is placed here which can be opened in two ways, with hand push mechanism as well as foot press. At the back, toilet cleaning brush is kept. The top storage is mainly to keep different types of grooming essentials and toiletries. It has 3 shelves. The bottom one is mine where I keep all my daily grooming stuff like makeup remover, body lotion, hair oil, serum, night cream, etc. I've also hung a small scissor and nail clipper here with the help of a hook for an easy access. I keep all my makeup removing wipes in this container which is specially made for this. By using this, you can organize and access cotton wipes easily. This middle shelf is taken by my husband due to its proper height. Here all his daily needs are kept like deo, roll-on, hair oil, shaving gel, etc. In this jar, all the cotton buds are kept. This is a one-push cotton buds organizer from Miniso. I really like it. It's very convenient to use. Behind this, electric trimmer is kept in this small DIY container made out of the empty body wash bottle. The top shelf is mainly assigned for items which are used occasionally, and extra stock of shampoos and body wash. So that was all about this cabinet. Now let's move to the shower area, which is separated by this glass sliding door. In the corner of the shower area, this rack is installed to store all the shower essentials. Just below the rack, I have placed a command hook to organize these loofahs. When kept back after usage, all the dripping water goes directly into the drainage. Also, I have covered the drainage with this silicone hair catcher, which collects all the fallen hair while taking shower and protects the drainage from getting clogged. In this shower area, we have this window for ventilation and an exhaust fan which helps the bathroom to stay dry. In front of the window, this is the space which can be utilized to store items. I have kept this container to store few other essentials like foot scrubber, pumice stone and brush, etc. This area is bit away from the shower, so helps in keeping these items dry. I have also kept this bathroom squeegee here to quickly clean the floor and glass partition after shower. This ritual helps me to save lot of cleaning time on the weekends. Just below this on the floor, water bucket and mug is kept along with the stool. To ensure the front area stay dry, I have placed a mat right outside the shower area, which also helps preventing any fall due to slippery surface after shower. To hang the bath towel, we have this rack cum hanger which gives us extra storage space on the top to keep spare towels. And at the back of the door, this multi-hook is placed to hang clothes. So that was all about our bathroom. A well-organized bathroom is a great asset when it comes down to stress-free and faster routine of getting ready. If your bathroom does not have cabinets or is unfurnished, then you can check out our older bathroom organization video, which is a renter-friendly organization. The link is given in the description box and in the I button. If you like the video, then please hit the like button so that I get motivated to make more such organizing videos. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.